We typically break up projects into 3 different types as far as bathroom remodels go. Number 1 would be a smaller type project in a bathroom where we're just going to replace a piece. Maybe they got a vanity that's fallen apart, or we do a lot of just cutting out fiberglass tub shower enclosures and changing those to just walk-in shower enclosures. And so we've got a pretty systematic approach to being able to extract those pieces and put new ones in and not disturb the rest of the space. The second one would be pull and replace, and you're going to see a lot of those in a 5x8, a 5x9, a 5x10 bathroom, because almost every home has got at least one of those in. So there's an awful lot in our marketplace. And that's really we call it pull and replace, is basically we're just going to take everything out and we're going to put all new stuff back in. So it's going to typically be a tub, shower, enclosure, toilet, and a vanity. Pretty basic, pretty simple, but we're going to take all of that out and put all new items back in with an updated space. And then the third one would be a full remodel, which typically is going to be in a space that's a little bit bigger, where it's going to involve repositioning fixtures, relocating the vanity from this wall to this wall, moving the shower over here where the walk-in Whirlpool tub was at that they never use. And so there may be wall relocation involved in a space like that. So there's more design work involved in that. So that's scope of work is typically larger, and we do a fair amount of those as well. And one of the things we see is that more and more people are wanting washer and dryer setups in those space. They've got their master bath as well as their closet, all their laundry's there. That's a pretty common feature that we are incorporating, assuming that they've got the space for that. So one of the questions I often hear people say is, well, how small of a project will you do for somebody? And you know what? We really like to take good care of our clients. So it's not uncommon that we may have a client contact us from 10, 15 years ago that says, you know what? We're aging a little bit. We'd like to have a couple of grab bars put in our shower. We typically are going to do everything we can to accommodate a request like that. If it's something else that maybe they're having an issue with a faucet that's older, or maybe a toilet, we're going to point them in the direction of somebody that we trust and who can help them directly and get to them quicker for a situation like that. So that's one of the nice services that we try to provide our clients with.